Hey guys, we are here with our first in a series of projects on the road. Just made that up, so hopefully it sticks. But anyways, we just came into Stanley, Idaho to go to general delivery from the post office to pick up a new LED light kit for our MotoTote carrier. This is the MotoTote LED light kit that is pre-drilled on these. We just haven't done it yet. We're excited for this upgrade. As you can see, we've been using these Harbor Freight magnetic lights for a while now. These retail for $42 or so. I think you can generally pick it up for 35 bucks. You get a 20% coupon in the mail all the time, I think. So bring them down a little bit from there. As you can see, there's a lot of duct tape on it. Broke it a couple times already. And then this guy here, we have to put on with zip ties every time because the rack itself doesn't have enough metal here for the magnet to stay on real good. So we have to zip tie it. It's kind of a hassle to take it on and off. And this one's missing the back. They fell off pretty quickly. So we decided we're gonna upgrade. So this kit here retails for about 110, but it should make our lives a little bit easier, and we'll see how easy it installs. I don't normally read directions, but I pre-read them real quickly, so we'll see how this pans out. So the lights themselves, they're actually labeled on the back left and right, which is really cool. You take a flathead screwdriver, shove it into the outside of these, and pop them out of the housing. And I may refer back to the, I had pre-popped that one, so it's out. Back to the instructions again, just in case I mess up. But they also come with a couple screws and some zip ties that came with the package. And so in theory, these should just screw right in. So you take the right guy, cable going to the inside, you're gonna keep the cable through here. And it did say if you bought a MotoTote before 2014 that you would have to drill 2 additional holes. So just note that if you have an older one and you need to do this install, it tells you how to do it. All right, so we're zoomed in now. Got the 2 screws started on this guy. I got the wire ran down at the bottom. And let's see, I just broke that one off. Let's try another one. So that's my cheap screwdriver. Hold on, let me get another one. Let's try this one, see how it holds up. That looks like it's gonna do better. So they're pre-tapped, but takes a little bit of effort. Screw that guy in, get it nice and snug. All right, so that's nice and tight. And then get this guy, pop back in, peel that nice cover off, and hope I don't have to take it back out so I don't scratch it all up. So yeah, then they came with zip ties, so you can just zip tie this up out of the way. We'll go and put the other one in and then come back and do that. All right, so I did make one change. I unscrewed it and actually moved the cable to the top because it makes more sense to be able to zip tie it here. So we'll do the same on this other side. So yeah, these screws aren't the easiest to put in because it's going into the metal that was got a fairly small hole. So just do your best not to strip them out. You should only have to do it once, so. Just clip this guy in. All right, so I'm gonna test them before I zip tie everything into place. we're going to go ahead and do a quick test to show you the difference between the old one and the new one. So first are the new LEDs. You can turn it on. All right, so that is just with the lights on. And brake. There's brakes. Then left turn signal. Left turn signal working, and right turn signal. All right, so that is the new one. Let's plug in the old one real quick. All right, so the old ones are plugged in. Just gonna turn it on. That's the old ones, and then brake. That's with the brakes. Left turn signal, and right. All right, so there's the difference in those. I think both are gonna work fine. I can tell you one difference that I see already is the cable on the new kit with the LED is much more substantial than the cheap one from Harbor Freight. So I think that's going to hold up a lot longer, and also we can eliminate this whole mess. I'll have to cut these off, but we had to take these off every time to get the motorcycle off, so we won't have to do that anymore.
So here's a close-up of where we zip tied. So we put one here, we ran it down under this, and it's over. We got one more here for the left one, and then around on the back side. I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but we ran one so the connection cord goes under, and we just connected it right down in there with that one, just to keep the slack up.
So thanks for watching, guys. Hope that was helpful. If you do need anything from MotoTote, look down below in the links. We are affiliate with them, so you'll get a discount on any product that you buy. This motorcycle rack is actually the only one that we found to fit our TW200 fat tire. It's been great. We've had it for over 2 years. As you can tell, it's been through a lot. And then the light kit looks to be pretty awesome, so we're excited to have that. If you have any questions, let us know. Like the video, subscribe, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.